Moko mjowale kaunti ma Mombasa koroseo bura mar Senate kuom bago twak mar chugo chike mag temo gayo ohand ndawa kaachiel kod tiyo kode midendo ni Tobacco Control Amendment Bill ma ok onywando pachgi. Joalago koni chikno kokadhe kaka gidwaro no to biro hinyogi to chutho ni mar jogo maloko ohand ndawa kata mwandu ma iloso gi ndawa biro dwaro ni gibed gi lesen moyiedhi gino mageto medo kwano osuru magichulo. Paro mar chikno bende chwale od bura mar Senate gi Senator Mogwel Catherine Muma mabende geto gayo wach pur mar ndawa, loko ohand ndawa, lendo mag ndawa kachiel kod kata tiyo kode.
The bill was not introduced to the public. The public participation was not done. We, the business owners, we were not involved in it. The second thing, they proposed that the licensing, to have a special license on tobacco sellers. It will be very high for common mwananchi. Yes, we know cigarette is harmful to our health. And we have come, or the tobacco companies, they have come with a way on how to reduce the tobacco. But now what they are doing is to kill the industry itself. We need the public participation to be brought down to us, to be done in every county, at least for us also to give our own input.
Mswada huu una mapendekezo yanayolenga kuua biashara zetu. Ndani yake unapendekeza kupiga marufuku ladha katika bidhaa za nikotini. Hatua hii itawahamasisha wafanyabiashara haramu kuingiza bidhaa haramu katika soko la Kenya, na hivyo kutunyima sisi wamiliki halali wa biashara fursa ya kupata kipato halali kwa kuuza bidhaa halali.
Ramogi gikanya wadon mun mwaka wiyo machielo chenro en marang'ichwelo nyar kumwanga